Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. So today we are starting a new chapter named as chemical reaction and equations. Okay, so in this today we will study about what is a chemical equation, what is a balanced chemical equation and what is a skeletal chemical equation. Okay students, so now I am starting with a chemical equation. Okay, so you have seen this equation in your previous classes when a magnesium ribbon is burnt. When a magnesium ribbon is burnt in oxygen, it gets converted to magnesium oxide. And the description, we will represent this by a chemical equation. Okay, thus the description of a chemical reaction in a certain sentence form is quite long actually, so it can be written in a simpler form or a shorter form. The simplest way to write the is in word equation. So let me write magnesium plus oxygen gives rise to magnesium oxide. So simply what we do is we convert this statement in a chemical equation form. Okay, and this is the word equation form. Okay, and the substances that undergo chemical change in the reaction means magnesium and oxygen here are called as reactants. Okay students, the substances that undergo chemical change in the reaction is called as reactants, and the new substance formed is called as product. Okay students, I hope that you are pretty clear about what are reactants, what are product, what is a chemical equation. Okay, now let me tell you how to write a chemical equation. Now we will discuss about writing a chemical equation. This was the word equation form. Now we will write a chemical equation. Means in the magnesium and oxygen they will take their formulas, okay, instead of words. So now we can represent the above equation in the form like Mg magnesium plus oxygen is equals to magnesium oxide, MgO. Okay, and if you recall formula of magnesium, means magnesium is Mg and oxygen is O2, we will get the product as, so now these two are reactants and this is the product. Okay students, let me erase this. Now I will tell you about what is a skeletal chemical reaction and what is balanced chemical reaction. So students, as you see, this is a chemical equation. Okay, so Mg plus O2 is MgO. Is the number of atoms of each element on both the sides are same? Let's say Mg have one element, here oxygen has two elements, but here oxygen has only one element. So the number of atoms of each element is not same, and if not, then the equation is unbalanced. Okay, because the mass is not the same on both sides of the equation. So such a equation is called as skeletal chemical equation. Okay students, now we will discuss about a balanced chemical equation. Okay, the balanced chemical equation is the equation in which the mass of the atoms on both sides of the equation will be same. Okay, now let us take the example of a displacement reaction which we have studied in our class 8th also. Okay, so in this, zinc plus sulfuric acid, let's say it is H2SO4, okay, give rise to ZnSO4 plus H2. Okay, this is zinc, sulfuric acid, this is zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Okay students, so now you can see that the total mass of the elements present in the products of a chemical reaction has to be equal to the mass of a total mass of the elements present in the reactants. So this is the reactant side, as you all know, this is reactant side and this is the product side. So for the equation to be a balanced equation, the masses of the elements present in the product side and in the reactant side should be same. Okay, has to be equal. Okay, and the number of atoms of each element remains the same before and after chemical. Hence we need to balance a skeletal chemical equation. Okay, so this is the equation in which masses are same and the equation is balanced. Okay, so now let us take another example. Students, let me give you one more example on this. Fe, iron plus water give rise to Fe2O3 plus hydrogen gas. So as you can see that both the reactions should be balanced. So how to balance a chemical reaction, we will see it now. Okay, so shall we discuss this in another class, another lecture, okay, where we will discuss in detail how to balance a chemical reaction. Till now I have discussed two examples of balanced chemical reaction. Okay, so the balanced chemical reaction for this would be 3Fe plus 4H2O give rise to this plus 4H2. Okay students, so we will see how to balance a chemical reaction in the next lecture students. So stay tuned for the next lecture, and if you have still any doubt or any question based on this, then please do let me know. Okay, thank you students, happy learning.